In April, the Brazilian government launched a nationwide campaign to improve safety in schools after a series of shocking attacks. In contrast to the United States, where gun-related school violence has only resulted in incremental measures, the Brazilian initiative has garnered broad support across federal, state and municipal levels. Lucrecia Franco reports from Rio de Janeiro.
On April 5th, a man armed with a hatchet killed 4 young children in a kindergarten in the southern Brazilian city of Blumenau. Since then, Brazilian officials have detained over 300 adults and minors nationwide accused of encouraging school violence and removed hundreds of provocative profiles from social media sites.
We are seeing that there's an emergency situation which has generated an epidemic of attacks, threats of attacks, and panic among families and in schools.
The crackdown on misinformation is part of Operation Escola Segura, Safe School, launched by Brazil's Ministry of Justice in partnership with state authorities. In this public school in Niterói, a city that neighbors Rio de Janeiro, measures include daily patrolling with unarmed municipal guards. Cameras have also been installed in several key areas.
The Safe School program here has 2 pillars: surveillance and teaching practices, which aim to make students have a sense of belonging and not feel as if they are in a prison.
The school is also the first to have a dedicated app that can connect staff with Niterói's integrated public security center that acts as the city's big brother.
In case
of an incident, our app is able to send an alert in 5 seconds to the center, which will send the nearest police officers.
No metal detectors or backpack inspections are allowed here, as recommended by Brazil's federal government. Brazil has seen 24 violent attacks in schools in the last 2 decades, but almost half of them took place in the last 12 months. This sudden increase has sounded the alarm about growing violence in the country's schools. Though the number of school attacks are far less than in the United States, Brazil's government has stressed that the Safe School operation has no end date. Losing momentum in preventing these incidents, some analysts warn, could be dangerous. Lucrecia Franco, CGTN, Rio de Janeiro.